What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, I got some dope accessories from Spigen. Ordered them off Amazon. Bought them for my Apple products. Wanted some new cases. Wanted one brand. You know, I like to match and coordinate with my accessories, so I bought a case for my iPad Pro 2020 11-inch and a case for my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now, one thing about this is I already got a case for my iPad, but I just wanted a case that my iPad could be in, and it didn't have that door. Like, I wanted a case that was just a case, and I had access to the screen. I didn't have to deal with a lot of extra stuff, or like a folio type case. I got a folio type case. I didn't want a folio. I just wanted the straight regular case with no screen covering, so I could walk around my iPad and don't have to worry about that extra screen covering, and I could use it, but it's still protected to a degree. And I bought a case for my iPhone 11 Pro Max. I just wanted another clear case. I had an Apple clear case, lost it, so I wanted to try this case company and didn't feel like spending another $39.99 with Apple, and I thought this case was dope. And I know Spigen makes good products, and I'm all about coordinating and matching brands and stuff like that. So this is just something that I picked up. Nothing sent out for review, just personal accessories. You know, I spend a lot of money on all this stuff, guys. Like I said, most of the stuff you're going to see on my channel is just stuff that I like and I wanted, because I can't stop spending money on tech. But hey, that's another video. Let's just get straight into it, guys. So for the big boy, matter of fact, I'm move this out the way. We're gonna just start off with the big boy, the iPad. I got the Tough Armour Pro. Now this just look really dope, and it's got a built-in kickstand and a built-in holder for your Apple Pencil, so you can mount and charge your Apple Pencil. I don't have an Apple Pencil. I have a cheap replica Apple Pencil off of Amazon, but it worked out in the end, and y'all see what I'm talking about. Like I said, military grade, drop tested, kickstand feature, function support. Hopefully the kickstand give me a couple angles. That would be nice. And they say we got the kickstand, we got air cushion technology, we got the pencil holder, and we got the installation. So I'm gonna try to figure out the installation on my own. We can go ahead and unbox this product. Let's go. Nice, Spigen packaging. Okay, and some plastic, but it came out the plastic. And we got some instructions, but just a big gunmetal gray type case. I like that because it matches my iPad. My iPad is gunmetal gray, and it's a gunmetal gray case, and it's got definitely protective, two protective layers to it. Like actually you can separate this now that I'm looking at it, but I'm not going to separate it. It's very nice build on it. It's got a hard plastic outer and like a TPU rubber inner for drop protection, and it's not too big. It doesn't feel like it's going to be anything that's just too clumsy, and just like it's not too thick. Like you're already holding the iPad in your hand, but it's not very, as you look, guys, it's not very thick. As you can see, we got a lot of cutouts on here for your speakers and your microphones. There's a lot going on with the iPad. We got some volume rockers right here, plus and minus. Got the power button up top. So just, really nice case here, guys. And we got that drop absorption webbing on the inside. And I guess this is where the Apple Pencil is gonna go. So here's the kickstand. Let's check this out. Okay, so the kickstand is only giving you, let me see. Oh, okay, oh no, kickstand only giving you one angle, and that's it. That's cool. I can work with that. So gonna go ahead, we're gonna put the iPad in this thing, guys. Like I said, it's a Spigen Tough Armour for your 2020 iPad. So you got the big camera cut out. It probably worked for your 2018 though. But here go my iPad right here. Shout out to the Apple fanboys. I'm not one of them, even though I got a lot of Apple products. And it's just sliding like so. And we got some nice protection. As you can see, I like how this gunmetal gray is still showing, matched with the case looking very dope. Out front, we don't have a whole lot of raised up protection, but we do have some raised lip protection, you know. So we need that raised lip protection. You gotta be careful with this thing, man. But we do have some raised lip protection outside of this. I don't have a screen protector on here. Maybe I should invest in one. But we got some raised lip protection, so that always makes me feel good. You know what I mean? And let me see. Got some angles going on. We could pull this kickstand out. Kickstand sturdy. And good thing about this kickstand, man, is you can just put your I could put a Logitech keyboard right in front of this thing and do some work and do some typing. So that's very dope. Also, you get you a Bluetooth or wireless keyboard or whatever, and you get to working. Nice. What do you guys think? Spigen branding, looking good. Looking good. And hey, now this is what I really like, because I got the Finagle Apple Pencil. As you can see, you got a charge, it's got a Type-C with it. This is a Finagle Apple Pencil, but it works really good, and it's $30. Not $130 like the second generation iPad, the Apple Pencil 2 or whatever. But I guess it's maybe just a little bit bigger than the regular Apple Pencil. So when you set it, it's got a flat side to it, guys. You can see, put the flat side down in here, and let me see. There we go. We in there. We in there. Now that is in there pretty tight too. It's gonna be hard to get out. But I rock with that. I work with that. That's just the Finagle Apple Pencil though. But this is how it would look if you had an Apple Pencil up in there, looking very nice. But that's just the Finagle Apple Pencil, and it just worked out where it sits up in there. So that's cool for me. That's the one for me. Oh, and it's got a cutout, so I could just push the Finagle out. Okay, so I can push the Finagle out, get the Finagle out, and get to working if I need be. But yeah, that's how my iPad Pro gonna be looking for right now. I like it. I like it, guys. I really like the Spigen case. This is Tough Armour. You know, you might want to put a screen protector on here, but it do got some raised lip protection. Real rugged case, but not too bulky. You know. Okay, so then we're gonna take it further, and like I said, we've got the Ultra Hybrid S, and this is basically a clear case with a kickstand. And I like this kickstand, little Spigen kickstand, kind of match my iPhone. And it's form fitted, ultra protection, and stable mounting. So let's see what this is. Okay, stable mounting. That's dope. Okay, I guess maybe stabilize the back of the phone. I'm not sure exactly what that is. Green campaign, recycling, less waste, lightweight packaging. That's cool. All right. So, you know what I mean? We done seen 1,000 phone cases. So, we just gonna get straight into it, y'all. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this thing out. That tab is in there kind of like, I don't know what's going on. Okay, here we go. We out. Boom. Looking for a nice, there we go. Nice, clear case right here. As you can see, we got some plastic on. I'm gonna pull it behind the camera, guys. Get some of this plastic off, because y'all know how these clear cases with this protective plastic installed on it, how they get, man. And sometimes they don't put tabs on these things. Like on this case, there's no tab. Like, put a tab on these, please. If you're a company, please put a big, super big tab on this plastic. Y'all put on these clear cases so I can see it, so I don't have to be fighting with it. Is this the right case? Okay. For some reason, it was looking small, and I was like, oh, is this for the iPhone 11 Pro, not the Max? But here it is. And we got some more. We got a sticker on the inside and the outside. So that's more time I got to waste fighting with and possibly scratching my brand new case that's supposed to be clear and looking crispy. But give me a second, guys. I'm gonna pull it back behind the camera. Y'all just keep listening to me talk, because I'm BG Tech Life and I got a lot to say. But yeah, guys, always coordinate your tech. You know what I'm saying? You spend $1,000 on a phone, spend a good money on a device, hundreds of dollars on these devices, man. Get you some good cases and stuff, because, you know, it just looks dope when you got it, you know, in a crispy, clear Spigen case with the Spigen kickstand, look like brushed aluminum, like that. Buttons on deck, as you can see, nice clear buttons, very clear case. Let's check it out. Now, okay, now I'm at the, okay, we had a little piece of sticky thing sitting there, and boom, we in there. I'm protected, but my iPhone is looking very dope. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. As you can see, We got some Spigen brand and Spigen out in California. It's looking very crispy. This is how your tech should be looking. This is when you walk around with the iPad and the iPhone. This is how you should be looking. Tech should be. Don't get those cheapo El Cheapo cases, bubblegum stuff, man. Get you some good, especially if you spend some money. Even if you ain't spend that much money on your tech. When you get some good cases, it look like you spend money on it. It look like better technology. Like, it's all a part of, this is, you know, tech is now fashionable. Tech is like an accessory. When I pull out my iPhone, I got a cheap 5 and below case that looks cheap. It's going to take away from the iPhone. This case, making the iPhone look better. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid for my iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is the Tough Armour. I put the links down in the description for my iPad my iPad Pro 2020 11 inch, guys. It's your man BG Tech Life, and I'm out. Peace.